Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, Mono, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Decentraland. Could Decentraland's phygital move be the catalyst for Mono land sales? Both Decentraland and the Sandbox have been pushing the metaverse to the general public. Alas, owing to present market conditions, their plans do not seem to be working. For its part, however, Decentraland does not seem to want to back down. Its latest effort to push metaverse to the mainstream audience may just be proof of the same. Decentraland X Bulova. According to an announcement 2 days ago, Decentraland has now introduced a new phygital watch to the world. Launched by Bulova in partnership with D-Cave, the watch has been described as wearable in the metaverse, with more details intended to be shared by 10 March. Bulova, as a 147-year-old brand, has a strong presence in the market. And, with the company making a move into the virtual world, Decentraland would attract more brand users to join the metaverse. If the plan works, then, Decentraland would be able to pull some investment out of people, since on-chain data shows Decentraland is not doing very well. Land sales, for instance, have been diminishing instead of rising. Decentraland plot sales skyrocketed in November, and managed to sell up to 1,551 plots, bringing in $13.6 million. However, volumes were much higher in January at $16 million despite land sales dropping to 1,328. This is also because the number of unique owners has fallen significantly. Landowners between November and December rose by 1,100, while between January and February, the same figure was just 549. Natural supply, and axis has likely flipped to demand. The RSI climbed past neutral 50 once more as bullish momentum gathered, and the chicken money flow was at 0.06 to show significant buying pressure in the market. ATOM formed a near-term range from $27.2 to $29.4 weight, and in the past few days, the price has attempted to break out of this range and succeeded. Moreover, it established a bullish order block in the $29.5 area, sign, which meant a revisit to this area could present buying opportunities. There was also a zone of resistance in the $31 area, red box. The Awesome Oscillator crossed over above the zero line to show bullish momentum was rising once again, while the CVD also registered green bars to show demand was picking up. Mono was another coin that was retesting a former area of resistance as demand. At $2.7 and $2.54 rested areas where sellers had been strong in recent weeks. However, in the past week, the price formed a compression and broke out past both these areas. In the next couple of days, another move northward could be witnessed. While the MACD was dipping in response to the sharp pullback from $2.8, the OBV continued to form higher lows. The cement buying volume was steady and stronger than selling. Fashion Week. This past weekend, Decentraland hosted the Metaverse Fashion Week, or MVFW, a 4-day digital fashion event that staged wearables on virtual runways, organized discussion panels and housed shopping experiences. The lineup of both legacy luxury labels and digital brands participated, including Dolce & Gabbana, Etro, Tommy Hilfiger, Estée Lauder and Elie Saab. Meanwhile, digital native fashion houses Ouroboros, Dresses and Republic hosted immersive spaces in stores within specific fashion districts designated by coordinates on a map. Just like New York Fashion Week, where events may take place across different city boroughs, so did Decentraland's MVFW, which materialized across different districts. Dolce & Gabbana puts on a literal catwalk. Dolce & Gabbana unveiled 20 full looks of metaverse wearables that they specifically designed for the Metaverse Fashion Week. Playing on the term catwalk, they used cat-faced avatar models to showcase the collection. After the show, the full collection became viewable in an exclusive Dolce & Gabbana pop-up in Decentraland's luxury fashion district, curated by luxury-focused marketplace UNXD. UNXD, as well as Vogue Arabia, were core partners of Decentraland in curating the traditional fashion brands at MVFW. Recently, Dolce & Gabbana sold a series of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, for about $6 million as part of another collection co-created with UNXD. Decentraland's next step into the metaverse is the launch of the Family NFT community, which intends to give members exclusive access to physical and digital drops and wearables. Family holders will receive airdrops from this MVFW collection. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There's a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Monoprice Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.